things we need to make a rechargeable fan are a DC motor, a tape, blades of fan, switch, Febiquick, a charging module. It will cost hardly 20 rupees. Some wires, batteries, this cotton bottle, ice cream sticks, strong cardboard, and at last one cutter. So let's start. First we have to make the main part of the fan. So that means all the electrical things, and first fix the blade with the motor. Okay, then connect the batteries. Keep in mind that you connect the batteries in parallel form. So let's do that. That means two negative sides are together and two positive sides are together. Keep in mind that these two get not get attached, then short circuit can occur. Then attach the negative side of the battery with the one side of the motor. You can also use soldering machine. Now take a piece of wire and first connect it with the switch. Then connect the other side of the wire with the DC motor. Then connect the other side of the wire with the DC motor. See, it's working, but now it is not completed yet because we have to make it rechargeable. So that one we will do later. First we have to wrap some sellotape in the connections so that no short circuit can happen. So let's do that. Wow, it's done. So you can see that we have already wrapped the tape so that no short circuit can happen. Now take out one wire from here and then fold it. Connect the other side of the wire with the switch. See, this fixed and it's working also. Now take out another positive wire from here for making it rechargeable. Now cover it with the tape. Now connect the positive side of the charging module with the wire that you have take out from the batteries, like this. Then here also you fold the tape. Now take out one negative wire and then connect it with the charging module. Now you are thinking that where are the tapes that I have wrapped around with the wires? I have opened that because that is making very much problem in connection. So if you don't have any problem, you can keep that also. Now let's see that our all connections are done, so it works or not. Oh my god, this is working! So that's a great news. Now this part is completed. Now you have to go to the structure of the fan. So let's start that. For that, first we have to take the bottle that you have cut. It's not at all the bottle, it's a container of a powder, and I have cut that one because there is no powder left in this. So first we have to make it colorful with the help of these two sellotapes. So you can use anything you want, any colorful sellotape, or you can draw also, anything as your wish. So let's do that. See, I have made some designs here with the colorful sellotapes. Now we have to go to the next one. That's first take a peach board and cut it in the square form with a side of 17.1 centimeter. Then at first take the batteries and all the things connected with it. Then one by one pass it through the hole like this. Without the batteries you don't need to pass through the hole. Only the switch motor and the charging module. See. Then put the batteries inside the container. Then fix the peach board on the container like this. See, it is fixed. Now then take a rectangular piece of peach board with a length of 7.1 and a breadth of 5.5. Then push the motor through it. See, it's done. Now fixed this part and this part together with Fevikwik. At last, take a rectangular peach board with a circle in the center for putting it inside the circle, and then fix it like this. See, all the sides are fixed properly. Now let's decorate these sides with sellotape, colorful sellotape. So let's do that. See, it is looking very much beautiful. Now at last, we have come at last, and here first make two holes like this and mark here. Then make a hole there also. Then keep it here. Now take the tape. Then paste it here like this with half on the open side. Then cut this portion. So now you are thinking that why I am doing like this, I can attach it with a Fevikwik only. I want to make it as like that it can open, so that if any connection problem occurs in here, then you can check that one and solve that problem. So paste it on the other side of the peach board. It can be closed also, open also. Now we have to fix this two part. So for that, take one long thread, then cut it from the middle. So let's first cut that one, then we'll go to the next one. Then take one piece, then enter through it. Then take the other side of the thread and enter it from here. Do the same thing on the other side also. Then tie knots here. Now if you have to open this one, then you can cut this thread and then open. Now take the blades and attach it with the motor. Now let's see it works or not. Wow, it's very good. I'm showing you more perfectly. Now I'll show you that it is chargeable also. See, it cannot be understood, but it's charging. Okay, so our fan is fully completed. See, so it's very beautiful. So friends, our fan is fully completed. This invention is also completed very successfully. So guys, now it's the last of the video, and the same thing I want to tell you, please like and subscribe my channel, and also share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And I promise you that in the next time I will also make a more beautiful video, and I assure you that you will like that. So for today, bye friends.